Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide. How to enter Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE, Advanced Startup Options in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Entering the Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE, in Windows 11 can be very useful for troubleshooting and repairing your system. Here are several methods to access it. Method 1. Using Settings. Press Windows key +I to open the Settings app. Go to System, then click on Recovery. Under the Advanced Startup section, click on Restart Now. Method 2. Using the Start menu. Click on the Start button. Click on the power icon. Hold down the Shift key while clicking on Restart. Using Command Prompt, click on the Start button or search icon. Then look for Command Prompt and run it as an administrator. Type and press Enter. Method 4. Using physical power button, restart your computer. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the computer shuts down. Repeat this process 3 times. On the 4th restart, your computer should enter WinRE. Method 5. Using recovery drive, insert a recovery drive into your computer. Restart your computer and boot from the recovery drive. Follow the prompts to select Repair your PC. Method 6. Using Windows Installation Media. Insert a Windows Installation Media USB drive. Restart your computer and boot from the installation media. Follow the prompts to select Repair your PC. These methods should help you access the Windows recovery environment to troubleshoot and repair your system. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.